Well, good freaking morning, everybody. Today, hey bird. Good morning, everybody. Well, good morning, everybody. We are about to take the truck to get worked on. Finally, we've got a new tuner and we've got to fix some stuff. We're headed over to Carterbuilt, my good buddy, and we're about to get this thing dialed in for now. But we will be talking about doing some stuff in the future with him, so we're gonna head over there and get started. Oh man, well we have just made it over to his house and I am super pumped to get this thing dialed back in, especially the power steering line, because I've been adding power steering fluid for a minute now and I'm ready to get it fixed, as well as maybe get some new parts on the way for it. So we're about to find out. That truck looks really fast. I think he said it makes a lot of power too. That thing sounds amazing. So we have the Edge going back to stock, and these will be my new tunes. We got stock, high idle, heavy tow, daily, street, and light tow. So I'm excited. This Hydra should make it run 100% better. Eventually we're gonna have to do some transmission work if I want to go even faster, and I think we'll need to do injectors as well. I think that's one of the big things that we'll have to do with this truck. We're gonna talk to him a little bit more about like doing some more upgrades and stuff, so I'm excited. So apparently this is where the ECU, where does it go? Up in here. Oh my, dude, it looks like a rat. Oh, I see the ECU spot. Oh, that's in the cab. Oh, that's kind of cool. Gosh, that's a hidden place for it, I guess. Oh, we got it all taped up. We got the new Hydra chip in there, tuned by, what did you say, Full Force? So that should do really good. Hopefully we'll get the undercarriage all pressure washed off. That way it'll stop leaking everywhere. Well, we got it all put on. Now this is, I guess I need to explain to you guys what I got. It is a Hydra tuner, new Hydra tuners for the 7.3, and I got it tuned and everything performed by Full Force Diesel. So hopefully I can give them a ring here soon, see about getting some more stuff, because I'd love to get this thing at least 450, 500 horsepower with the stock turbo, and then maybe one day end up doing a bigger turbo. So that'd be really sick. I just wanted to have this thing to be able to drive through the mountains reliably and be able to tow pretty good uphill. So that's what my goal is for this thing. So I am super happy. I think we're gonna head over to Kyle's house and that'll be it for the video, but hope you guys are enjoying this new kind of style vlog. I don't want to primarily focus on the side-by-side and the power sport stuff. I'd love to be able to, you know, create any kind of content for you guys. So that's what we're working on, and yeah, I hope you guys are excited for the truck stuff coming out soon. Hopefully I'm gonna reach out to some companies and get it all started. So I'll see you guys over at Kyle's house. Whoa, it's a full moon. What's going on here, bud?
I just want to let you know, I hope every single bit of this goes wrong so I can laugh.
I missed your enthusiasm, Julius.
That 7.3 sounds good. It's like...
Alright, so guys, I made it over to Kyle's house. We were gonna race today, but I don't think we're gonna have enough time. We're actually headed up to Jersey, so those videos will be coming up soon. But I do want to go ahead and talk about some stuff that's coming up here in the future. Now, I've actually got a few good sponsors on board for a trip that I'm going on this week. When you're watching this, I'm gonna leave in a few days, and I am going to be headed out to Utah with my side-by-side, and I'm super excited for you guys to be a part of this and for me to take you along this journey. So without further ado, I will go ahead and mention the biggest sponsor on this video is going to be Kimimoto. They are going to be sending out some products for me to review while I'm out there and be doing stuff like that. So big shout out to them. They've been awesome to work with, and I'm so excited to get their products and test them out on this trip. The next biggest sponsor on this trip is going to be Roof Nest. Now, guys, these are the sickest, the best roof tent companies for your vehicle, and I'm actually going to be throwing it on the side-by-side, so stay tuned because that content is going to be insane, and I'm really excited to be going out to Utah to be using this and to go see all the stuff out there. And last but not least, Heatwave is actually coming on board for this trip as well. They're going to be sending me out a whole bunch of gear for me to wear while I'm out doing my thing out in Utah, so big shout out to them as well. We're going to be mentioning these companies a few more times throughout the next few videos. I believe, if you guys couldn't tell already, we're headed to Jersey, so I've got a few videos of content with Kyle and Tim and Luke, and I'm super excited to be going to Jersey with them. So stay tuned, we got some big stuff coming, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm hoping you're excited for the next few videos, and I hope you're excited for the truck build. I've already reached out to a few companies and they might be on board, so you guys got to stay tuned for a few cool videos with the truck as well. So if you guys would leave a like, subscribe. We are almost to 100,000, so if you haven't already subscribed, please do it. We're trying to reach that before the end of the year, so if you guys would, I appreciate you guys being a part of the channel and supporting me. So I'll see you guys in the next video.